How to make all your Facebook posts public at once. First, you want to go to menu, then tap on this gear icon at the top of the screen, and you want to scroll down until the end, and on your activity, you want to tap activity log, and choose your Facebook activity. Scroll down again, and click on manage posts. Here, you want to choose filters, select categories, and check on your posts, photos, and videos. Right here, you want to scroll down until the first time you post on Facebook, and scroll back again, then choose all, and then select three dots at the bottom of your screen, and select change audience, select public, choose change, and there you go. And to make all the posts in the future of your Facebook account set to public, you want to go back to the settings, and you want to search audience and visibility, and choose posts. And then on who can see your future posts, click on public and save. And just to remind you, if you change your post to public, it means that everyone on Facebook, if they are lucky enough, they can find your post and interact with the post itself, or even interact with you. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.